Good afternoon. It is November 9th, 2023, and today we had a downtrend day. You can see we found a little bit of support at the measured move, but then we pretty much reversed. So here are the scalps I see. Maybe there will be some more as I go through it, but let's close out this week. I'm not sure if the market is closed tomorrow or not. So we were moving up in the overnight in this channel. I don't see, so 5 o'clock comes right in here. I don't think you would want to jump in on that congestion. This felt like it was late in the trend. And if you have your channel drawn like me, there's reasons to believe that. We didn't make it to the highs here, and then the open comes, or market open comes, and we just sell off. And you do get a two-legged pullback. So maybe you're feeling aggressive, maybe you take that. I'll make this new low, double bottom, it reverses. The reversal fails here, clearly two legs. And we get a sell-off. And that's a failed second entry long, but you're just in no man's land. I'm not sure about that one. Two-legged pullback, boom, sells off, and you get what looks like a double test, and it's also a second entry short, but you're going into the lows. We just had a double test on the low side, so I think you're taking a risk there, big risk. But we do end up going lower, and you get this double bottom, first entry, failed second entry short. Okay, so it doesn't look like that broke lower, but that looks like a failure to me. I like that. You know, we just broke out to the low side. And, you know, there's a lot of reward to the upside. So ends up going to the midline. And that's where we find resistance and we get a break. And we go sideways for the most part, but we do make a new high. And you get this failure right here, but yeah, I guess you could argue for that one, especially because it's technically a second entry short as well. And we find some support at the closing price from yesterday. First entry, second entry, I wouldn't really feel clear about what's happening at this point, so I don't think I would take that. But you can see that's where the floor fell out. And I think there was a 10 a.m. news item there. We got this 19 tick bar. And yeah, the floor falls out. We bounce at this level. You get a first entry, second entry. Maybe you take that one. There's a failed second entry short here and a second entry long. So maybe you take this or that. And then we hit this level. So the overnight lows, and we kind of it's unclear what's happening, but when you get this double test of the overnight lows, unfortunately that's a second entry short, so they trap some people out there before taking it lower. But with the lower highs, I think you got to take this one, and that's when we get this spike and channel down. Nice strong move. First entry, second entry doesn't set up. I guess this is technically a failure, so maybe you take that. And then we don't make it to the lows, and the buyers come in, get a break, and you get a first entry, failed second entry. And to me, that kind of, I thought there was, oh no, I'm just thinking of this one. Okay. I thought that was a repeat pattern, but that's what I'm thinking of. You get that, and maybe you take that lower high too, because I'm expecting a new low on this channel. and then we just go sideways. And I don't see anything in here that I particularly like. Maybe you take that second entry short. Yeah. And that brings us to the end of the day. So that's how I saw it today. Hope everyone had a great day. And if the market's open, I might be able to come back tomorrow. I got a busy day anyway. So if not, I'll be back next week.